forest at this hour. There's no people here. Oh my God, thank God it's a car. He just gonna ride on by. That ain't even right. Wish made. Wish granted. Peace, people. Welcome and welcome back to XO Courtney XO, or it's all Courtney and it's all love, y'all. I decided to check out the New York Botanical Gardens Train and Glow show this evening. I'm actually getting my steps in right now. I haven't had my Fitbit on all day, and I haven't been because I got beef with Fitbit. The community missing. I don't appreciate it. But anyway, this ain't about that. We still out getting in them steps. Tickets for tonight to have the main address on it. So I'm wondering if I'm going to be able to get in on this side now that I walked over here. I'm going to see if I can still get them to let me go in still on this side. And hopefully even probably get a ride down because it is a little distance. I started to think like I know the walk to where the main attractions are. And the garden might be dark, but if it's a glow and light show, maybe not, right? That's what I'm thinking. I don't know, but I did get to see some of a sunset. All right, y'all, so they let me in on the side that I know, and we were talking about how I'm supposed to get down to the conservatory, and she's like, oh, just walk through the forest. And I'm like, walk through the forest at this hour? It's about to be hella dark. She was like, but it's lit up. So I don't know, y'all. We're gonna see. It is pretty lit up. If it's like this, if I can expect this, then I'm okay with the walk. I'll walk through the forest. Yeah, we're gonna walk through the forest, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna go try to catch up to some people and see if I can find my way. I did get a map, so I'm also gonna use that, but I don't know how much longer I am going to have natural light. So I'm a little scared, y'all. I'm scared. Y'all, I never experienced the garden after dark. And wait, y'all, look, it's sunset. I am running into sunset. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful out here, and I'm low-key scared. But I kind of know my way. So I'm just trying to rely on my memory just a bit. But I am going to look at this map real quick. Y'all, I'm so scared. There's no people here. Oh my God, thank God it's a car. Because I was about to look and see. And he clearly see me looking and seeing. He just gonna ride on by. That ain't even right. All right, let me see. All right. So, where am I? Oh, this is not going to show where am I because I got this at the front. So, I'm in the East Gate. I've already walked past, okay? Now I'm going to go past the Lilac Garden. Nah, she got me messed up. She talking about go through the forest. Y'all see the forest right there? Let me show y'all what she telling me to do versus what I'm trying to do. Oh, now he trying to back up. That's what I'm talking about. Sir, thank you. But she tried to say go through the forest, y'all. This is where I entered at, and I'm thinking I should just walk across and be safe, y'all. Hello. Hi, how you doing?
The map and look at
right. Thank you, sir.
Mercy. I was sitting at the stop sign, and I'm looking back at you at the mirror.
Oh my God, thank God.
And I see all your movement, and I go, let me back. Hello. Well, they go in the opposite way, but okay. I'll put you right where the glow starts, which is further down.
So pretty out here. When I say super pretty, super pretty. Y'all know I love the New York Botanical Gardens. Y'all, when we talk about views, oh my gosh, I'm about to show y'all what I see right now. I believe this is, which building is this? I think library that they have here. And it's so lit up as a part of the glow show. It looks so pretty. It's changing color. I'm about to show y'all in just a second. Look at everything though. Oh, that's me. My bad. Hold on. Let me show y'all everything. Y'all, this is going to keep changing color. This is the Merce Library here at the garden. And since I am out here getting my steps in, we're pretty much doing exactly that. So we're going to get our steps in by pretty much going around the entrance and exit pathways, which I came up on this side. I'm gonna walk down on this side and head over into the holiday train show. It's a little cold out. It's not even really cold in my opinion. I have on my layers, but it is windy. They have the Bronx Market out, serving up food. It looks so beautiful, y'all. So we're gonna go see the train show. Y'all, when I was inside the car, that man was so kind to me. Like, God just be loving on me. But that man was so kind to me. And he wasn't just kind to me. He was kind to other patrons. He stopped and, you know, if he saw people, are you going the right way? Do you need information, directions, whatever? Y'all, because it's lights, y'all can't see what I see. Maybe this side. The camera facing this way does better justice, in my opinion, than the other. Oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful out here. So beautiful. I think, oh, this might be a line for it.
Yeah, it was like that rain flush. Actually, it's been a hundred shit.
Y'all, it looks so pretty in here, but I don't think everything's lit up yet. I think these cone things are supposed to light up. I think it's just a little early. Exhibition continues. Y'all, this is zucchini. carrying all the vegetables on there. That was so cute. That's the airport. So I saw change in the pond, and now I need to find change in my pocket so that I can make a wish and throw change in the pond, right? Because I want the energy. Yeah. So let me find some change. I was starting to get mad. Like, I don't have no change. I don't have no change. So we're going to make a wish, y'all. I'm going to do it on the slide before anybody notice. Done. Wish made. Wish granted. Apollo. Radio City. Street and 7th Avenue. All right, y'all, so that was so nice. That was the indoor holiday train show from like the beginning to the end. It was so many different parts and pieces. I love seeing all of New York City's buildings surrounded by all the plants and all the trains. It was so nice to actually see. And there's still a lot of people coming in, y'all. I'm about to go outside. It's windy out there. That's the wind. Y'all hear that? That's the wind. It's windy out there. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to just see some of the ground stuff outside real quick. I'm actually gonna look at my map and map that out. Maybe I'm gonna just go ahead and walk myself to the get up out of here area. And yeah, that's what I'm probably gonna do. So let's go outside, y'all. So we outside. This is the last of what's going on. They have a long line, y'all. I'm so glad that I went in when I did. Got to see what I saw. Now it's just the grounds exhibits, and I think there's like maybe 3 or 4 of them, and they're all relatively close. They're all right in this area. So I'm gonna look at the map. I'm gonna see what I see. If I see something worth sharing, I'm gonna show y'all, and we getting up out of here. Let it go. 10 out of 10, do recommend. Are y'all ready for my view? Are y'all ready to see what I'm looking at? Do y'all want to see my view? Oh my gosh, y'all. I have never seen New York Botanical Gardens look like this. And I'm amazed, y'all. Look. Oh my gosh. The library lit up, everything. We're about to go see these ground exhibits that are available. The train show blew me away. Y'all, let's close this night out, this little vlog out. Real cute. Great time, y'all. It's such a cute little train show. It was not even a cute little train show. It was a big deal. That shit lit. But it was nice. I ain't never been out here while it was been this dark. I never did one of their evening events, so this was cool. Alright, y'all, so I think this vlog is pretty much done. It was a lot of people in here. It was hella packed. I ain't had no mask on. I just wanted to get through, see what I was seeing, and get out of there quick. And mission accomplished. It took me, I want to say 2 hours. I got in there at about 5:30. And nope, not 2 hours, an hour and a half. I got in at 5:30, and it's already 7 o'clock now, so yeah, I got here at about 5:15, 5:20. That looks so nice. Okay, we about to do some tics. Nah, I ain't got TikTok. We about to do some shorts for the tube. What's happening? Yeah, let's do that. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I'm cold at this point, so I'm gonna head home. I think I done seen all that I came to see, and everything I came to see that I needed to see has seen me. So with that being said, I'm out of here. Y'all know the vibes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then turn on that button and get notified. All right, y'all, peace.